The Volkswagen Polo is here for the complete Graphenizer treatment. From deep engine cleaning to smooth performance restoration, every step is designed to bring this machine back to peak condition.
Most engine wear happens silently, inside the parts we can't even see. Over time, friction, heat, and old oil slowly reduce engine performance. Graphenizer 2 is designed to protect the engine from the inside by creating a strong graphene-based protective layer. The best part? No engine opening, no dismantling. Just pour it directly into the engine oil from the top. It helps reduce friction, improves smoothness, lowers engine temperature, and can extend engine life. For old engines or even newly serviced vehicles, Graphenizer 2 adds long-term protection where it matters most. Sometimes your car feels normal, but fuel consumption keeps increasing. That's where Graphenizer 3 makes the difference. This mileage booster can be used directly in both petrol and diesel vehicles. Just add it to the fuel and it starts improving combustion quality from inside. It helps the engine burn fuel more efficiently, improves pickup, reduces vibration, and can even lower black smoke in diesel engines. Whether it's a new car or an older high-kilometer vehicle, Graphenizer 3 is made to bring back performance while boosting mileage on every drive. A lot of performance issues don't start in the engine itself, but in the exhaust system, where carbon and soot get trapped over time. Carbon Flush is designed to clean that hidden buildup inside the exhaust, including DPF, catalytic converter, and related systems. As the cleaning process starts, the blocked carbon deposits are pushed out, and you can actually see the soot being flushed away. This helps improve exhaust flow, reduce black smoke, restore power, and make the engine run smoother again. It's a deep cleaning process that brings the whole system back to life without major dismantling.
Graphenizer is formulated in Dubai by Pisic, a research and development company which is pushing the boundaries of innovation in the fields of artificial intelligence to smart materials. Pisic is ranked number 1 among the top 101 companies in Dubai, UAE, in the category of Internet and Startups of 2021, and Graphenizer by Pisic ranked number 12 among the top 101 of the most innovative United Arab Emirates-based oil and gas companies and startups. Source from beststartup.asia and futurology.life. Graphenizer, a complete engine treatment for all vehicles with instant results in just 10 minutes with up to 50% extra mileage. Check the pollution test before and after the treatment. It is trending top number 1 in Google. Search as Graphenizer, first of its kind in the world. For dealers and distributors, visit www.graphenizer.com. Call or WhatsApp